buy or not to buy? That is a question. Hi everyone, I'm Jinn from DustyHueRoom, and this is the reason to buy Davinci Resolve for yourself. First, if you are the one that have to dealing with GS5 or GS5S 10-bit file, so you shall buy Davinci Resolve, cause Davinci Resolve, a free version, not allow you to work with some type of file like 10-bit from GS5 or GS5S. So that is a problem, and some H.265 from GoPro and some other MXF file. And if you're working with raw file such as RAID, the free version gonna allow that file to work just only 10-bit, not a 16-bit. That is a problem, so we need to buy a Davinci Resolve. Second, if you want some plugin like noise reduction or phase refinement, lens flare, some sort like that, so you ought to buy Davinci Resolve. And third, if you have more than one GPU and you want to use it for Davinci Resolve, you should buy a studio version of Davinci Resolve, because the free version working only one GPU, but if you have dual GPU or you have maybe more than 2 GPU, so you need Davinci Resolve, the studio version, the studio license, to work with that. If you have any question, feel free to ask me or comment me below on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'm Jinn, and this is my DustyHueRoom. See you soon.